World Emblem, we have a clear vision: to brand the world one emblem at a time. We are creators of unforgettable first impressions. We are caretakers of brands. We are focused on our customer satisfaction. We are supporters of our employees' growth and success. We began in 1993. Today, we are more than 2,000 professionals working in 8 locations in 4 countries, with over 1 million square feet of emblem and badge manufacturing. We manufacture in the USA, Houston, Texas, Ontario, California, Atlanta, Georgia, Decatur, Illinois. Our headquarters are in Hollywood, Florida, Mexico, Canada, and the UK. Over 100 million flex-style emblems, stickers, transfers, pens, face masks, and badges per year. As the world has changed, so has World Emblem. We are the owners of over 15 patents. We have a full R&D team in Mexico, the US, and Europe to consistently bring to market the latest branding techniques. The world is a changing place. To give back, World Emblem has developed Hands on Deck, our own internal charity program. Year over year, we give back as our way of thanking all the local communities. For each one of your ideas, we are ready to give you a solution. We are a world of possibilities. We are World Emblem.